Want to understand native conversations even if you're a beginner? Well, there is an easy way to do it. A special conversation breakdown tool you'll find inside our system. What is it? Keep watching. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Your secret weapon to understanding native conversations. If you're like most beginners, you probably struggle with listening to conversations between native speakers. They speak faster than you're used to. Their words seem to blend in together, and the slow pronunciation that you get from most vocabulary apps simply doesn't prepare you for the real thing. But at the same time, you'd love to be able to understand them and speak like them. Every learner does. So what do? Well, most learners just leave it as, I'm just not good at listening or speaking. But if you're learning with our system, where you learn from everyday conversations, you get a special tool inside every lesson called the line-by-line dialogue. You'll find it inside all of our audio lessons, and it helps you master the conversations in the lessons fast, even if you're a beginner. So how do you learn with it? How to learn with the line-by-line dialogue. So what the line-by-line dialogue does is it breaks the lesson conversation into manageable chunks, one line at a time, and you'll find it right below the lesson. Here's what you can do. First, instead of getting overwhelmed by a whole native speed conversation, you can just listen to each line one at a time, as many times as you want. Just press the play icon. You can also read along as you listen so that you don't miss a word. And you can also review the translations to understand the meaning. Next, you can also practice speaking by recording yourself with the pronunciation practice tool. Just press the microphone icon. This records you saying the line and plays it side by side with the native version. That way, you can compare your pronunciation with the native speakers and keep refining it. So how does all this help beginners master native conversations? This is an example of a learning method called chunking, where you break something into smaller chunks so you can master it faster. Breaking the conversation down like this helps you catch and understand every word, even at native speed. It's much easier to handle one line at a time. For best results, listen to each line 4 or 5 times before moving on. Practice saying them just as much, whether it's reading out loud, shadowing the audio, or recording yourself. Then, you can go back and listen to the whole conversation and easily understand everything. And as a bonus tip, you can use the line-by-line dialogue to practice writing too. Copy the lines into a notebook to reinforce what you've learned. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.
Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Hindi PDF cheat sheets, teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
हेलो एंड नमस्ते। स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल हिंदी पॉड 101 में। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल हिंदी पॉड 101। माय नेम इज आकांक्षा जैन। मैं हूं आकांक्षा जैन। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर इन इंडिया। November is a fascinating month as it brings the cool breeze of late autumn, preparing us for the upcoming winter season. It is also packed with the cultural events, festivals, and celebrations that showcase the India's rich diversity. Before we dive in, let me tell you, November is called Navambar in Hindi. Navambar. Navambar. November, almost similar to its English pronunciation. Now, let's explore about this wonderful month. For most Indians, November marks the arrival of cooler season, offering relief from the humid monsoons and scorching heat of summers. During this month, students are busy with their academic schedules as the exam approaches, while working professionals take time to plan the year-end vacations or enjoy extended festive break. In many parts of India, November is also a harvest season, particularly for the crops like sugarcane and rice. The weather becomes pleasant in November. You will often see families enjoying outdoor picnics, shopping for wedding, as it is a popular wedding season, and preparing for festivals like Guru Purnima or Diwali if it falls late in the year. As we already know, festivals are called Tyohar in Hindi. Tyohar, Tyohar, Tyohar. So, November is packed with so many tyohar that showcase the vibrant culture of India. Let us have a look on the major ones that are being celebrated in this month. Diwali, Deepavali. If Diwali falls in November, which is typically based on the lunar calendar, it is the highlight of the month. It is the biggest festival celebrated across India. Diwali, which is also known as the Festival of Lights, is called Deepavali in Hindi. Deepavali, Deepavali, Deepavali. The word Deepavali is made up of two Hindi words. First is Deep and second is Avli, where Deep means lamp. Deep, deep, deep. And Avli means row. Avli, Avli, Avli. Hence, the word Deepavali literally means row of lit lamps. On the auspicious day of Deepavali, people clean and decorate their houses, light oil lamps, and burst firecrackers to celebrate the victory of good over evil. Families exchange gifts and sweets, perform prayers to Goddess Lakshmi, and enjoy delicious festival meals. If you want to know more about this festival of Diwali, you can visit Hindi Pod 101 and check out this video. Guru Nanak Jayanti. In Hindi, Jayanti means anniversary. Jayanti, Jayanti, Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti, also known as Guru Parv, Guru Parv, Guru Parv is the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism. This festival is celebrated in November and holds great significance for the Sikh community. Devotees visit Gurudwara, participate in processions, and listen to Kirtan of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Kirtan is a Hindi word which means devotional songs praising one of the deities. Kirtan, Kirtan, Kirtan. Langar, which means the community kitchen offering free meals. Langar, Langar, Langar is the central part of the celebration, promoting equality and selfless service. Chhath Puja. Chhath Puja is an ancient Hindu festival dedicated to the Surya Dev, the sun god. Surya Dev, Surya Dev, Surya Dev. It is particularly celebrated in northern and eastern states of India like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Jharkhand. On this festival, women observe a fast, perform rituals at the river bank, and offer prayers to the setting and rising sun for the well-being of their family. Children's Day, Bal Divas. Children's Day is called Bal Divas in Hindi. Bal Divas, Bal Divas, Bal Divas, where Bal means children and Divas means day. It is celebrated on 14th of November to honor the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, who was fondly called as Chacha Nehru by the children. On this occasion, schools organize special programs, cultural events, and competitions to make this day enjoyable for the children. Now let's talk about the weather in November in India. In this month, the transition to winter begins in most parts of the country with cooler temperatures and dry, pleasant weather. The weather in India during November varies across the region. Here is a regional breakdown of the weather. Let's begin from the northern India. In the northern plains, including cities like Delhi, Jaipur, and Agra, temperatures range from 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. The mornings and evenings are crisp and cool, making it a delightful time for sightseeing. Moving towards western India, in regions like Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Mumbai, the weather is dry and cool, with temperatures ranging from 18 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. This is the perfect time for exploring the deserts and beaches. Going towards eastern and northeastern India, the places like Kolkata experience mild weather with temperatures ranging from 15 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. The humidity of the monsoon is gone, making it a comfortable time for travel to this side of India. On the southern side of India, in the southern states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, the northeast monsoon continues, bringing moderate rainfall and temperatures ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Let's have a look at the highest and lowest temperatures along with the rainfall in the major cities of India during November. In summary, the weather in November is much more cool and pleasant than the hot and rainy months before it, making it a popular time for festivals and tourism across the country. November is an excellent month to travel in India as cool and dry weather makes it perfect for exploring the country. With the monsoon season fully retreated in most areas, the crisp autumn air sets the stage for outdoor activities, cultural experiences, and vibrant festivals. For those who are planning to travel in November, it is recommended to pack light and breathable clothing for daytime activities and warmer layer for cooler mornings and evenings, especially if you're traveling to the northern and eastern region. Comfortable walking shoes, sunscreen, and sunglasses are essential for daytime excursions. If traveling to the southern states like Kerala or Tamil Nadu, where the northeast monsoon brings occasional showers, including light rain gear is a good idea. November's pleasant weather ensures a comfortable and memorable travel experience across India. November is one of the best months for tourism across India, as the pleasant weather allows for outdoor explorations and adventures. You can visit any part of India during this time and you will not be disappointed. It is also the wedding season, so you might come across the beautiful, colorful weddings of India while you're traveling. Here are some top recommended destinations to visit in November in India. Madhya Pradesh. November is an excellent time to visit Madhya Pradesh for wildlife enthusiasts and history buffs. Visit Bandhavgarh and Kanha National Park for tiger safaris and spotting wildlife. You can also explore the temples of Khajuraho, which are known for their intricate carvings. Discover the historic city of Orcha with its palaces and temples nestled along the Betwa River. Goa. If you would like a beach holiday in India, which is unlikely to be tainted by the rain, visit Goa after mid-November. Cool breezes, charming beaches, and exciting water activities make it a perfect beach destination. Goa has it all, even the nightlife. Enjoy a sunset beachfront dinner, hop to a nightclub, or join a beach party at a beachfront club. Kashmir. Popularly referred as paradise on earth, Kashmir is a breathtaking region of northwestern India. Historically a part of princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, it is declared as Union Territory of India in 2019. The major cities you can visit in Kashmir includes Srinagar, Gulmarg, Anantnag, and Baramulla. Nestled in Himalayan, Pir Panjal and Karakoram mountain ranges, it is known for its scenic splendor, snow-capped mountain range, plentiful wildlife, exquisite monuments, hospitable people, and local people handicrafts. Delhi. It is a popular starter destination for India trip. In November, the weather starts to cool down in Delhi with an average high temperature of 27 degrees Celsius an average low of 14 degrees Celsius. It is also very dry with an average monthly rainfall of just 3 millimeters. If you are a fan of astronomy, don't miss the Jantar Mantar, one of the world's most accurate pre-modern observatories. For history buffs, there is impressive historical heritage such as Humayun Tomb and Lal Killa. Apart from festivals, November also sees some unique events. The most popular events to experience are Ganga Mahotsav and Dev Deepavali, Uttar Pradesh. Ganga Mahotsav and Dev Deepavali held on the banks of river Ganges, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, featuring cultural programs which includes music and dance performance. The last day of festival is much awaiting when you can have an enchanting view of millions of floating earthen lamps down the river. It is a sight to behold and is accompanied by elaborate Ganga Aarti and various religious and cultural events. India's Surf Festival, Odisha. This festival takes place in Odisha. This is a very big surfing event. This event starts with the morning yoga along the beach, followed by surfing competitions and programs. Numerous surfers from various parts of the world participate in this event. There are also workshops and lessons for the beginners. By the night, all the participants join together for the music and dance festival. This event takes place near the Ramachandri beach in Puri and is a very good spot for the photography as well. International Film Festival of India, Goa. Goa is a permanent venue for international film festivals and attracts many national and international film fraternities. It is a festival to appreciate film arts and understand the films of different cultures worldwide. The film festival hosts the screening of national and international art films. Over the years, IFFI has become the Asia's most significant film festivals. So that's all about November in India. This month is filled with festivals, cultural activities, cool weather, and opportunities to explore the India's rich heritage. And if you want to learn Hindi in the easiest, fastest, and most fun way, head over to hindipod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account. Dhanyavad. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content like this. Alvida. Bye-bye.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.
Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the Using Transportation Conversation PDF cheat sheet. This new cheat sheet teaches you must-know words and phrases like where can I buy a ticket, how much is the train pass, and much more. Second, do you know how to say Christmas in your target language? With this 1-minute lesson, you'll learn must-know Christmas words like chimney, present, and Santa Claus. Third, want a bonus writing workbook for this winter? No other language app will give you free bonus resources, but we will. You'll master all the winter words and phrases with this free writing workbook. Fourth, how to talk about holiday gifts. What gift do you want the most this holiday season? With this quick vocab lesson, you'll learn common gift vocabulary like laptop, camera, money, and more. And fifth, tired of apps that only teach you random words? Want an app that teaches you the language through everyday conversations? With innovative language learning, you're exposed to real conversations between real native speakers. And then you get everything slowed down and explained so you can learn the language fast. Download it for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below and download them now before they expire.
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.